Right here we're looking at a variety of daylily called Gentle Shepherd. It's sort of an ivory with a green center, and it is very gentle. Let's see what else is blooming today. The daylilies are just beginning to come out now, and this one is a wine color, purple Doro. There we are. It's sort of a wine color. And this one I love for its soft, pure yellow color. This one is called Stella Supreme. Yes, I like this one very much. And this is I believe this is the Hyperion. Let's see what it says. No, this is Happy Returns. Very much something that I use very often. It's like the Stella Supreme. I think the Hyperion is over there on the other side. So let's take a look. Yeah, here we are. What's this one called? Yeah, this is the Hyperion. And it has a beautiful scent, folks. This is why I love to plant this one. And it's the Hyperion, as opposed to the Doro, is a tall one. And they don't stay compact and neat. They do get a little messy by the end of the season, but you can cut them back. And they're well worth it for this gorgeous flower and the beautiful scent. Oh, here's one. This is another beauty here. This one's called Sound of My Heart. Blooming for us today. And here is a showy one. Ruby Spider, definitely extroverted in character. And the Stella Doros I showed you earlier. This is the original Stella Doro, a golden color, gorgeous.